Hello guys, so in this video I'm just going to tell you how to block someone on Facebook Messenger. That's quite simple and easy to do, so I'll show you how to do that. So first of all, open up your Facebook Messenger app and then just simply click on these two lines on the top left, and here you get a gear in front of your Messenger username. Just tap on the gear, and then here in settings you get the option of privacy and safety preferences section. Just simply tap on that privacy and safety, and here you'll get the blocked account option. Just tap on it, and here it will show you all of the accounts you have blocked. So if you want to block other accounts, just simply click on that plus icon. So let me highlight it, this one. Just simply tap on that. So here it will show those accounts to whom you're connected on Messenger or on Facebook. So for to block, so just simply tap on an account like this, and click on like unblock on Messenger, and then just simply unblock it. And so if you're not connected someone on Facebook or on Messenger and you want to block her, so just simply come back, just a second, and then here search for that person to whom you want to block, but you're not connected with that person. Just simply search for that person like this, and just click on its profile picture, and here you see the option of second last option, block. Just simply click on it, and see it just redirected you on that same page. So just simply click on block on Messenger and click on that block option. So like in this way you can block someone on Messenger. So here it says that you want to report or you want to delete. I'm just simply deleting that, and now it's up to you. You want to report or you want to delete it. Just click on delete. So like in this way you can block someone or delete someone on Facebook Messenger. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below and I'll be catching you in the next video. Thanks guys.